Hey all, Ankit Kristo this side from Fleet team, and I welcome you back to my channel. So first of all, a very happy Deepavali to everyone, and this is a very quick video where I will be sharing with you my three pick for this year. Okay, in terms just I wanted to give you three stock for this motor trading where you can just buy them and hold it for at least for 2-3 years. This is just a suggestion. You have to obviously you have to consult your financial advisor before taking any entry, or you have to just go through its data yourself. I have gone through few of the datas. That's why I'm just uh, sharing these three stock, and there will be a bonus stock also. So the very first one is IRCTC. For obvious reason, I know from the past few days it is in news because it's movement on both upside and downside, but I feel a good retracement has been happened in this. Okay, after continuous rally so of 36-38%, so I think we can accumulate it here, and we can keep on averaging it. If it will fall at 700 level or 600 like that, will keep on averaging it, and we have to hold it for next 2-3 years. I am expecting at least 150% return or 100% return in the next 3-4 years. So I personally will hold it for next 3 years at least. Okay, so this is the very first pick, and talking about its fundamental, I don't think I need to talk a lot about it. It is having the monopoly in this market, in this sector. So I don't think I need to tell a lot about this. Now talking about the second stock, which is ITC. It is means it is right now trading at a very good level, I would say. After showing a good rally, it is again trading at a very good level. It has shown a retracement of more than 16%. So this is a very good stock, and fundamentally it is a very sound company, and now they are focusing on a lot of many things. You have to go through the data. I won't be making this video very big, so that's why I am telling you very quick about this. So fundamentally this is a very sound company. I know it is consolidating from a long while, and this year also it hasn't performed that good as compared to market. It was a underperformer, but I feel like in the next 2-3 years it will definitely boost, and it will give a very good return to all of us, and I personally will invest in it. Okay, and the third one is any stock from the insurance sector. Why I feel like that those stocks might move a lot, might give a very good move, because they are consolidating. They haven't seen their upside rally in the past few years, I feel like, and there are lots of upside which is possible in this segment. Okay, in this sector actually. Okay, insurance sector has a very good upside, very good growth prospect, and I feel like कि इसमें जरूर एक अच्छा मूव आएगा, and when there will be a sectoral movement of money, I think money will move to this sector any year, and that year will be a boost year for it. So I personally feel like if you want to invest in this sector, then go with SBI Life or SDFC Life, because these are the leaders of this segment, this sector. So just go with them. And talking about its fundamental, I think no, I won't be putting a fundamental analysis in this. I just want to make this video very small. So this is a third stock, and a bonus stock which I just told you about is a rain industry. I am having it is in my portfolio from the last 2-3 years, and it has given a very good move to me. If you'll see, means my average is at 130 something. Okay, yeah, 140 almost. So it is giving a very good return to me, but still I feel like there are lots of upside in this stock still possible. If I will show you some fundamental aspect of it, then you will find its book value is 179, its current value is 215. So it is not very highly priced, it is not overpriced at all. It is trading at a very good price, I would say. And the second thing is ROC is compared to its peer comparison, it is very good, I feel like. Okay, means yeah, very good. And talking about not quarterly result, I want to say wait, yeah, this one. अगर आप ये देखोगे, आप कोई भी रेशियोज अगर आपके देखोगे, तो आप पाओगे कि दिस इज़ वेरी गुड स्टॉक. फंडामेंटली इट इज़ अ वेरी साउंड कंपनी, एंड ईयर वाइज ऑल्सो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, इफ यू सी ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट is continuously increasing. I know in between, sorry, net profit I am talking about. So it is increasing a bit in between. That's 19 year, it was not that good for it, but again it is just coming up to its space. Okay, and I feel like there is a very good upside to this company, and its occupancy is in 3 segment, the 3 or 4 segment actually, yeah, calcined petroleum coke, coal tar distillation, advanced material production, and cement production. And in all of these, it is actually having a very good control over the market. Okay, so I feel like fundamentally it is a very good leader of this segment, or all these segments. And I feel like if you want to invest for and having a prospect of what next 3-4 years, then you should have it in your portfolio. So that's all I wanted to give you as a bonus, and I hope you will be having a very good Diwali today, and just enjoy this day. And I hope you will be having a very good, happy and joyful Diwali and a year ahead. Thanks a lot, and again wish you all a very happy Diwali. Bye bye.